Hey y'all, this is Adam from hookandclaw.com. Today I'm going to explain to you the process your bass is going to go through from being caught to going on the wall. And before we get to that, if you want to subscribe to our channel, we got a bunch of helpful videos out there and a lot of content that's going to help you out on mounting your bass. And if you got any questions, put them in the comments below and we're going to answer any one you got. And if you got anything that you might want us to share, go ahead and put that in the comments too. We'll get to it as soon as possible. And all right, let's get started. Beforehand, for your first bass that you're going to mount, I personally recommend a 3 to 5 pound bass, basically because you don't want to start off with a 10 pounder, because your first bass is not going to be professional, you know. And you don't want to start off with a 1 pound bass, because basically it's very easy to mess one of those up too. That's why I recommend a 3 to 5 pound bass. Easy to work with, but not too much to mess up, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so we got our bass picked out. You got your measurements, and you want to learn how to freeze it right. We got a separate video how to freeze it right, because I'll caution you, if you don't freeze it right, you can easily mess it up. And so just check out those links for the previous videos about how to freeze it and everything. So this is a frozen bass. As you can see, we froze it properly, got our measurements, so we won't lose those. And you would then order your mannequin after you freeze and get your measurements. While your measurements and mannequin is coming in, the fish is going to be froze. Well, once you get the mannequin in, you want to thaw your fish out, and then you proceed to skin it. And after it's skinned, it's going to look like this bass right here. Nothing but the skin. Eyes are gone, everything's gone but the skin. Basically, it's ready to mount. Now, after you skin it, you're going to preserve it. And basically, we'll put the skin in a solution of denatured alcohol and water with a sealable lid that kills the bacteria, preserves the skin. Basically, you want to leave it in there for about a week. And after that, she's ready to mount. Now, once you get it out, you want to wash it, clear water, and you're ready to mount. Next goes to mounting the fish. And after the mounting process, you're going to be painting it, and very difficult. Don't get discouraged, and you will get discouraged the first few times, because painting is a challenge. Just don't get too discouraged, and just try to improve every fish. And after you paint it, the next process is finish work. With the bass, you got a lot of finish work as far as epoxy sculpt, clay, clear coat, stuff with the fins to make the detail pop out. And basically, after all of that, through all these processes, hopefully you'll have a fish on the wall you can enjoy the rest of your life and show off to your friends and family. And but don't be nervous about doing it. All these processes we're going to walk you through step by step. And so don't get overwhelmed and feel like you can't do it, because basically anybody can do this. And we're going to help you all the way through it. And well, if you got any questions, leave it in the comments below. I appreciate it for watching the video. And head over and check out our website, hookandclaw.com. We got a bunch of content there, and we got a bunch of stuff going on right now. And it's a very cool website to help you get started mounting your own fish. And besides that, that's about it, and I can't wait to shoot the next video. See y'all next time.